Richard Radke here. Thank you for watching Multiple Income Funnel Review. There's a great video that'll explain it all. I'll just tell you briefly a little bit about it. There are 4 income streams. The main one is the system itself, number 1, which costs you $49 a month. And if somebody joins under you, you make $20 a month. There's also a yearly one available for $350, and if somebody joins that under you, you make $200. Then there's income streams number 2 and number 3 that you can put whatever opportunities you have, and if you don't have any opportunities now, you can use the same ones I'm using if you want to, and each one of them are under $10 a month. And then there's stream number 4, which is Traffic Authority, which has great leads. They've been in business for over 7 years now. And you can also make money with that if you become an affiliate. And then there's number 5 as a bonus stream, which I get leads for $1 a day, 100 leads for $1 a day. So that it means at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads that I can mail every single day. So this is a great system for somebody that wants to have multiple funnels to advertise. And you only have to advertise one link, and then people will see all 4 or 5 of your income streams. So if you want more information, I'll put the link below. I can tell you what it is. If you go to seethisvideo.biz, you can see it, but I'll put the link below, and I'll also put my contact information below so that you can contact me with any of your questions that you may have. So I appreciate your listening, and I hope we can work together. Looking forward to working with you. So bye for now.